Next, a cyclist from Roth who suffered serious injuries in a crash on Dunleavy Drive has died in hospital. 72-year-old Brad Craven had been cycling with his brother in Grangetown when the collision happened on the 17th of May. The crash involved a blue Fiat 500 and occurred at around 8:40 in the morning. Mr. Craven died 5 weeks later on the 20th of June, with police now treating the case as a fatal collision. A 19-year-old man from Sully was arrested but has since been released under investigation. Mr. Craven's family described him as a thoughtful and caring retired social worker. Officers from South Wales Police are appealing for dashcam footage or witnesses to come forward. Work is due to begin on a full upgrade of T-Glass station in Cardiff, with closures affecting both the station and nearby level crossing. Transport for Wales say the level crossing will reopen once safety upgrades are complete, but the station itself is expected to stay closed for 10 months. The project is part of preparations for new electric tri-mode trains, which are being introduced on the Corriton line. During the closure, passengers will be directed to Birchgrove Station, and those crossing the railway will be rerouted to Caerphilly Road Bridge. A 16-metre platform extension and pathway changes are planned as part of wider South Wales Metro works. Caerphilly Council says its financial shortfall may grow by more than £6 million. The council leader, Sean Morgan, said rising costs for transport, teacher salaries and national insurance are driving the increase. Although savings of £29 million were already targeted by 2028, that figure may now rise to £36 million. Mr. Morgan insisted service cuts were not currently planned, but said the council remained under pressure. Cardiff Council says it's committed to exploring the creation of a fourth Welsh medium secondary school. Council leader Hugh Thomas said parents in the south of the city face long travel times to existing schools, which are all located in the north. While the ambition is absolutely there, he warned that selecting a site and securing funding would take time, and stressed that any expansion must not destabilise existing schools. Demand for Welsh medium places has grown steadily, with nursery admissions rising from under 14% in 2017 to nearly 20% this year.